Hey guys, Flipman here. So I am in Gilbert, Arizona. We're on hunt of our next luxury Airbnb, and come on in and check it out. This home is 7 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. You have a giant bedroom over this way, 5,300 plus square feet, 3,700 on the top floor, and then you have a 1,600 square foot all completed basement with 3 bedrooms downstairs. This home was built in 2004, one owner, and it was actually the land developer of this community. We're in White Wing. It's gated, about 65 homes, all over $1 million. In here, you can see we do have to completely renovate and update this one. A lot of this hasn't been changed out since 2004. It's clean, but just dated. We would have to do a complete renovation on this one. Giant closet here. We would get rid of all this and just really make it more modern, up to date, up to 2022 standards. But there's plenty of room to do some great things in this one. Got the big windows out there. This here we could use as an office, because you do get a lot of business travelers into the luxury properties. Obviously, we change out all the flooring throughout. And then if you ever did sell, this could be another bedroom. You would just have to box in a closet. Love the giant front door. Over that way is the living room and the giant kitchen. We're gonna go there in a second, but wanted to show you guys a couple bedrooms. You have a commode in there with a shower. And then this is another large bedroom. All of them have ceiling fans. We tend to do that in Arizona. We're still trying to decide if we keep the theme of a Western ranch style, because you do have horse privileges here. And here you have a giant open space with a beautiful kitchen there that we would really open up and redesign the whole kitchen. Plenty to fun things we could work with here. So love how the floor plan is open. And then over there you have your formal dining room. Let's go over this way and I'll show you some more rooms. This is obviously so no one gets lost in here. It's such a big house. This goes into the garage. Over this way is another bedroom with a bathroom, giant closet. It's got a separate entrance into the 44,000 square foot lot in back. And then this other way we have our final bedroom up here. Or I'm sorry, this is a giant laundry room over here. So we have the 4 bedrooms up and then we have 3 down. And then you have another bathroom, plenty of space. So 20 guests at a time, I'd say. And we do have some rules and regulations as far as the HOA. It's a 30-day minimum stay. There was another luxury down the street and they had the same thing. They were doing 30 days and they were very busy at that property. Come on downstairs. This is a basement. We do have basements in Arizona. I never knew that until I moved to Arizona. I didn't know basements existed in Arizona. So more and more builders started around 2004. So this is great. It's fully completed down here. Again, we would just update the flooring, the paint, all the drapes are coming out. It's got plenty of space here. So 2 bedrooms, giant bedroom in here with a large walk-in closet. And then same in this room. You have a giant bedroom, walk-in closet. You could put a big king bed in here, or you could do 4 bunk beds. This is our first walkthrough. You have a nice bathroom over there. You got some antiquated wallpaper in here and old drapes, but on this type, everything is coming out. Giant walk-in over there. So that's the basement of this 5,600 square foot property. We're gonna go outside. It's got a giant lot. Let's go upstairs and then I'll show you guys the backyard. It's a 44,000 square foot lot, so it's gigantic. The land developer is the owner of this property and he chose this lot for a reason. What an easement is, it has to do with this easement, particularly with the electric company. So they have the rights to drive in through the gate, and there are the power poles back here, right up to here, and then you got a giant side yard. We can add a pool. Back there, we still need to research more exactly what could be added. Over here is another bonus. So it's a large structure that acts as a garage right now. If you really wanted to do this right, you could make this another, like a mother-in-law suite where you could put in a toilet, a bathroom. There's plenty of space here. There's a lot of garage here. So I would probably look into converting it to like a suite. And one of the better things that I really like about the property is it's on a quiet cul-de-sac, so it's really in a good location. You got a giant 2-car garage over here. I'll take you around to the front where we started. Plenty of mature trees, so we wouldn't have to do anything with the landscaping in the front. So we're back at the start of the tour. One thing I wanted to let you guys know is the price of this. The list price right now is 1.8. That's what their asking price is. So we're working on that, and I will definitely keep you guys posted. Hope you like the tour. Send a like and share it with your friends.